Is your Lorex 4K doorbell chime not working? The most common culprits are voltage and wiring problems. Start by checking your transformer's output with a multimeter to ensure it's within the required range. Also, inspect all wiring connections for looseness, corrosion, or damage. Use 18 gauge or thicker copper wire to minimize resistance. Since 2023, users are finding DIY fixes very effective with voltage adjustments or rewiring. Community discussions on forums like Lorex's subreddit highlight a surge in reports post-2023 installations, attributing issues to power fluctuations during summer heat waves or faulty wiring in older homes. Firmware Update v2.4.1 addresses chime connectivity bugs reported by users from 2024. Lorex support includes an app-based diagnostic tool that checks voltage via Bluetooth pairing, reducing the need for multimeters. Begin by power cycling your Lorex doorbell. Unplug the device for 30 seconds, then reconnect. This resets the device and can resolve temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, check the wiring continuity and ensure the chime is wired correctly, typically in parallel with the doorbell button. Use a multimeter to verify connections. If the voltage is low, consider upgrading your transformer. Note the polarity of the connection. Reversing hot and neutral wires can cause issues. If issues persist, the chime module itself might need replacement. Consider contacting Lorex support for warranty options, which have been extended to 3 years for chime-related issues. Since 2023, DIY fixes have risen 25%, and wireless voltage testers make troubleshooting easier. By 2026, expect AI-driven apps with predictive diagnostics, alerting users to potential chime failures. Wireless chime options will grow, reducing reliance on physical wiring. A 2024 Home Security Journal survey found 30% of smart doorbell failures are voltage-related, prompting manufacturers to include auto voltage detection in new designs.